Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM31 is making strange noises, it's likely due to a failing potentiometer or a malfunctioning panel. Ignoring this issue could lead to further damage and potentially costly repairs down the line. It's crucial to address it promptly to ensure the longevity of your device. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement potentiometer and panel. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged from the mains to avoid any accidents. Begin by carefully removing the base cover using the Phillips screwdriver, taking care not to strip the screws. Once the cover is off, locate the potentiometer, which is usually situated near the control panel. You can identify it by its circular shape and the wires connected to it. Using the flathead screwdriver, gently pry the potentiometer out of its housing, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. Disconnect the wires carefully with your tweezers, noting their positions for reassembly. Take your new potentiometer and connect the wires as per your earlier observation. Push it back into its housing until it clicks into place. Next, check the panel for any signs of wear or damage, as this can also contribute to the strange noises. If you find any issues, replace it in the same manner as you did with the potentiometer. Make sure to tighten the screws just enough to secure the panel without overdoing it, as this can cause damage. After everything is replaced, reattach the base cover and ensure all screws are securely fastened. Plug your Thermomix back into the mains and test it to see if the noises have ceased. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent future issues, make sure to keep your Thermomix clean and free from moisture, as this can affect the internal components. Regularly check for any signs of wear or damage, and address them immediately. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.